Find or read reviews that people are talking about. WOOCARTY 10.1 inch 1080p, wireless backup camera. Why you choose WOOCARTY 10.1 inch, 1080p, wireless backup camera. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Upgraded 10.1 inch large screen. WOOCARTY wireless backup camera kit is specially designed for large vehicles, like RV, truck, trailer, bus and so on. Adopts advanced digital wireless transmission technology, presents stable and high-definition images for reversing or monitoring. It could delivers a stable image without any interference from other wireless signals, like Bluetooth, radio, or cell phone. Outside dimensions of the monitor is 10.1 x 6.69 inches. Single, dual, quad split display. With the split screen function, this system supports up to 4 cameras, allows you to view images from different cameras simultaneously. For this system, you can mount 4 cameras on your RV/truck, 1 camera on the front, and another on the back. For 2 side cameras, just mount one on the left and one on the right. They can help to reduce the blind spot effectively, as well as a good helper for backing up. Easy wireless installation. Wireless means there is no wiring between monitor and cameras, they transfer the images via wireless signal instead of cables. But they still need to connect to the power source to get power for working. IR night vision and loop recording. The IR light will turn on automatically in the dark environment. You can see the objects within 60 feet clearly. With wide view angle, high-resolution sensor and 6-glass lens ensure high definition and smooth image quality. Built-in loop recording function. With the included 32 GB SD card, the wireless rear view camera will automatically overwrite the oldest recorded video when the memory card is full. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important, don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.